Welcome everyone once again to Cerritos Dodge Chrysler Jeep and Ram Parts Department. My name is Jacob Ramirez and I'm here with a couple performance parts and accessories for your Dodge Chrysler Jeep vehicles. First off, we'll start off right off the back here with the elephant in the room, the 2020 Jeep Gladiator 2-inch lift kit. This kit was designed by Jeep brand and off-road enthusiasts. A popular enhancement to Jeep vehicles is larger wheels and tires, and this kit offers you proper ground clearance and clearance for your wheels and large tires. This kit is easy to install, has no drive shaft or brake lines are required for installation. This kit was rigorously tested for performance, durability, and corrosion, and it meets all FCA US standards. The premium performance Fox shots were tuned specifically for vehicles with oversized tires, and by retaining the production geometry, the ride and handling remain excellent. These are available for 2012 to 2020 Jeep Wranglers and 2020 all-new Jeep Gladiator. We do have them here in stock. Next up, we have these protective door seal guards for the 2014 and 2019 Dodge Challenger and Jeep Grand Cherokees. These come in a set of 2 or 4 depending on vehicle, and a brushed stainless steel aluminum. These door seal guards help protect the interior door seals against scratches and scuffs, and they also come illuminated for some of the vehicle applications. Thank you all again for watching. These parts are available in stock and available for installation upon request. Please like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you again soon.